Hello, my name is Taryn Roloff. I'm the Community Relations Director for Spokane Public Schools, and I'm joined today by Director Dina Brower from the school board.
Hi.
And Eric Maggie, who is our coordinator for Science and Human Growth and Development. And we are going to have a discussion about our Human Growth and Development program. So start off with Eric. Tell us a little bit about the curriculum and how it was created.
So the curriculum was created with a group of parents, a group of community members, and Spokane Schools teachers. And so this has truly been a community partnership.
Very good. In fact, it has a special committee. The Human Growth and Development Program has a special committee. And Director Brower, I know you have served on that committee, so why don't you talk a little bit about that?
Sure. It's the Citizens Advisory Committee on Human Growth and Development, and it's made up of about a dozen community members. Some are from organizations, some are leaders from the community, and some parents. And that committee reviews materials that are recommended by the teachers, and the materials are reviewed to make sure that they are balanced and factual and accurate, age appropriate, and that they match our learning objectives for human growth and development.
So, Director Brower mentioned that parents are involved in the committee, but parents have a very vital role at home as well. And maybe you can tell
Absolutely.
us
We have no intention of presenting material to supersede the education that happens in the family. We want to provide material that is medically accurate, age appropriate, and factual, that then the parents and the children can speak about and talk about at home. So we want to provide education. We're not trying to supersede the family's role in this.
All right.
Yeah, I would add, with the factual information that's presented at school, then the families can put it in the context, the conversation of their family values and how they wish to elaborate on the information with their children, their students.
Perfect. So if parents want more information, what would you advise?
Well, each school holds a parent preview afternoon or evening in which the parent can come in and look at the specific grade level materials, watch any of the video materials, look at the print materials, and from that ask any questions that might arise. So that's scheduled by each individual school.
If you would like more information, please go to our website at spokaneschools.org or call Mr. Maggie at 354-7358. Thank you so much.